Nature is our classroom.
Welcome to Smile!
As we all know, play is the essence of childhood. At Smile, we embrace play as the foundation of our approach. Hi, I'm Aisha Sulaimi. I'm a founder and COO of Smile.
Smile is located at Batu 18 Hulu Langat, Selangor. Our area is 5 acres.
Here there are fruit trees such as mangosteen, rambutan, pulasan, banana, durian and others.
We also have livestock such as geese, chickens, ducks and turkeys.
There are 3 fish ponds that we use for fishing and recreational activities.
The special thing about Smile is that we are located at the foot of a hill,
which has fresh air all day and is good for physical and mental health.
We engage children in hands-on experience that foster their multiple intelligences and ignite their passion for learning. Our approach is rooted in play-based education inspired by Montessori and Waldorf concepts, which have been proven to enhance cognitive, emotional, and social development, allowing them to learn through hands-on experience, free exploration, and the joy of discovery.
That's the sign.
That's the sign that we must join our class.
Come and see what we do in our class.
Come, let's go!
What do you learn at SMILE?
We learn entrepreneurship, archery,
Cooking, public speaking,
Islamic studies, woodworking.
Horse riding and gardening.
Our cooking classes introduce children to basic cooking techniques, nutrition, kitchen safety, and develop a love for healthy eating habits. We learn to prepare delicious lunch meals, from Malay delicacies to Japanese, not to forget Western meals. We also prepare our own dessert for tea time. Not only that, in cooking class, we learn time management and planning, teamwork, and also leadership.
our public speaking programs help us build confidence, improve communication skills, and express ourselves effectively. We learn how to organize our thoughts and deliver speeches or presentations with clarity and conviction. The best part, we learn public speaking through playing. We play board games, dodgeball, competition, and many more. We practice our skill during end of year special event which is H4KS that stands for Hari Keusahawanan dan Kerjaya Kanak-Kanak. Entrepreneurship class teaches us about business fundamentals, problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. We learn about generating ideas and understanding financial concepts. We learn through role play. That's what makes this class so interesting and fun.
In entrepreneurship class, we develop critical thinking, financial literacy, communication, research, collaboration, and organization skills. Our archery class focusing on horseback archery. We learn different archery techniques to suit our horseback archery syllabus. Archery fosters focus, patience, discipline, and precision. We learn archery techniques, target shooting, and develop physical coordination while enjoying a sport that requires concentration and control. Our woodworking class helps us develop fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and creativity while working with tools and materials to create practical and artistic projects. By engaging in woodworking projects, we not only develop practical skills, but also enhance our understanding and application of concepts in subjects like mathematics, science, engineering, problem solving, creativity, and organization. Islamic studies, Tauhid, Fiqh, and Adab. These programs focus on religious education, teaching children about Islamic principles, beliefs, and values. Kids learn about the fundamentals of faith, ethical behavior, and good manners. Horse riding provides a unique opportunity for us to connect with animals and nature. We learn horse care, riding techniques, and develop skills like balance, coordination, responsibility, and empathy. Participating in horse riding classes allow us to engage with animals, develop physical and cognitive skills, foster responsibility and empathy too. Gardening class encourages us to connect with nature, learn about plant life cycles, and develop responsibility and patience. In gardening activities, we gain a hands-on understanding of scientific principles, environmental awareness, math concepts, nutrition, riding skills, cultural appreciation, and important life skills. Gardening classes offer a multidisciplinary approach to education that nurtures curiosity, fosters connection to nature, and promotes sustainable living practices. We plant several plants such as brinjal, lemongrass, turmeric, corn, pumpkin, roselle, and many more.
I love to be surrounded with children. I like Smile concept with outdoor classes, more exposure to the clean air, sun exposure, also flora and fauna at Smile.
I think the concept of Smile is interesting because students exposed to nature, and nature is part of our lives, as we know that we came from Earth and will return to Earth. So we need to take care of them as best as we can.
The specialty of Smile, I think, the culture here. Every kid has a different potential, different capabilities, different abilities, different strength, and different weaknesses.
Saya suka sebab dia ramai kawan. Banyak adventure.
Noem,
Ya?
what do you love the most in Smile?
Sebab Smile ni best. Sebab ada berkuda dengan dapat pemanah, dapat bermain, dapat belajar.
Sebab Smile boleh belajar tentang aktiviti baru dengan kelas baru macam bertukang, berkebun dan public speaking. Public speaking first time saya datang sini, saya sangatlah malu.
Saya pergi Smile sebab kita banyak kawan. Sebab boleh belajar. Sebab boleh memasak. Boleh banyak pokok.
Kenapa Sufian suka Smile?
Sebab pastinya.
Smile, where we bridge the gap between children and nature, cultivate their talents and passions, and foster a love for lifelong learning. Together, let's create a future where children are connected, confident, equipped to overcome any challenge that comes their way.